Karnataka government has withdrawn the 2022 order that effectively restricted the wearing of hijab in classrooms. A fresh notification now allows students to wear a limited traditional and custom-based symbol along with the prescribed uniform in educational institutions. The decision announced by the School Education and Literacy Minister Madhu Bangarappa along with Health Minister Dinesh and Shivajinagar MLA Rizwan arshad marks a significant policy shift by the Congress-led government. So, how are students reacting to this change? What does it mean to them inside the classroom and during examination? Let's hear from them.
To be honest, at times it really felt like a choice between choosing our education and dignity. And it only added stress and discomfort, lack of confidence. And now when the government has taken the initiative to, cut down all this, we are seriously very happy. To be honest, I'm a hijabi. And it's my personal experience. When I was in 9th standard, I had to take off my hijab, I guess. And somewhere, I feel that education, examination and everything should be about knowledge and not about, showing your identity, showcasing your identity and all of these things. It is not about your identity. It should be about your knowledge and not about showcasing your identity. And one message that is clear is education should never come at the cost of dignity. Message is really clear. I would like to thank our CM, MLA and every single person who has taken the initiative to come forward and speak about it, clear the issue. Thank you so much. Much more respect to you all. And I would like to thank all the leaders who have involved in this and solving this issue. We need youth, we need politicians who come out and solve such kind of problems rather than talking so much on social media and all of that. I would be very happy if we get such politicians in our country, in our surroundings, who talk about women empowerment and also work on it.
So earlier there was a hijab ban in the state. What are the difficulties you or your friends faced?
When there was a ban on hijab, at the time we felt so many difficulties. It was uncomfortable for us without our hijab, and we felt difficulties outside, like we felt a little bit ashamed, uncomfortable. It gives us comfortness.
So now the ban has been lifted. So how do you feel it?
First of all, for this I'll thank our CM for this, to give us the right to wear hijab openly in the society, and I feel very good to wear it. It gives me a kind of comfortness. So thank you for that.
So I feel really happy and very joyful because this issue has been resolved. First, it was very hard for all the hijabi girls because we had to sit in our examinations without hijabs or just wearing hijab on top, and it was kind of difficult because we couldn't concentrate. But now I'm so happy that this issue has been resolved and we are able to wear a hijab and give our exams freely without any discomfort. So I'm really thankful that this issue has been resolved.
So what is your message to them?
So first of all, I want to thank our respected Chief Minister Siddaramaiah sir. For us, hijab is not just a cloth. It is connected to our faith, our dignity and comfort and identity. So I'm really happy that a solution was found through understanding and discussion.
There was a time when we were not allowed to wear burqa and hijab, and it was too difficult. But now people have changed as well. Their mindset have changed, and we are allowed to wear burqa with freedom and pride.
So earlier there was a ban on hijab. So what was the difficulties that you faced?
We were unable to go out as well. We were feeling uncomfortable while going out because no men should see the woman. In Islam, it is not allowed. So we were suffering from many difficulties, but now Alhamdulillah we have suffered lots of difficulties, but now we have faced everything and come forward, and we are very proud to say that we are wearing hijab and burqa to cover ourselves and to make pride of Islam.
It was actually a very hard time. I have been wearing hijab from 7th standard actually. So when I was in 10th, when I got to know that hijab is not allowed for our exams, it was really like heartbreaking for me. I don't know why religion was taken in between. It was about my identity. It was like they told us to remove, so it was like really heartbreaking and stressful. So while writing exams, it was really a stress for me. But now, since our government has taken this initiative and have they taken this ban out, I'm really thankful. Now we will be able to wear our hijabs, inshallah. Your support has given us, like, we will be able to wear our hijabs, inshallah. Thank you so much, because hijab is very important part of our Islam. It's our identity, it's our faith. So, like, you have supported us, it truly means a lot to us. Thank you so much. May Allah reward you for your kindness and support. Thank you.
So, what message you would like to give it to the government on this time?
Like, they have supported us in this way, I would really be happy if they support us further, if any consequences we are going to face in future, inshallah. So please support us. We really need you.
In 2022, they tried us to stop from wearing hijab, and we faced lot of challenges. We can't go out, we can't continue our studies because of Islam don't allow us without going out without hijabs. But now, alhamdulillah, we're wearing it with pride and dignity, and it's our strength.
Do you somewhere feel that it broke the moral of students during the examination time?
Yeah, of course. They were all not allowed to go in exam hall. It was a lot of challenging moment for everyone. They stopped for education purpose and all. Everything was being stopped.
So now that the ban is revoked, how do you see this?
It's everything good. We can proudly go out, we can cover ourselves, we can face everything, we can go anywhere, and we can give any exam by wearing hijab, and I thank you for that.
I would sincerely like to thank our Chief Minister Sidramaya sir and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shiv Kumar, and our Education Minister, who is Madhu Bangarappa sir, and our MLA Rizwan Arshad. They have taken an initiative to understand the students' concern and solve the hijab issue. We truly appreciate your efforts and understanding the students. Because of hijab, we have faced a lot of problems, and students are not allowed to write exams, and they are not comfortable in it. So we thank you, we concernly thank you that to help us out and understanding us.